Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. How's it going? I've got a great video for you here today where I'm going to show you how to increase average order value by creating some really cool bundles on your Shopify store. We're going to jump right into it. And average order value is so important. The big idea here is that we're going to get people to spend more per order, right? So average order value is the average that they spend on a transaction, right? Let's say they order $30 or $35. Obviously, we'd like them to spend $50 or $100. The higher the average order value, the more money that we're going to make. And all big e-commerce stores focus heavily on average order value, typically known as AOV. And the whole idea is that if we can increase our AOV, we're going to make more money without spending more. We don't need to buy new ads. We don't need to add new functionality. We don't need to hire any new employees. We simply need to increase our average order value to increase our profit and our revenue. And the most successful way to do this is product bundling. This is an incredibly powerful and effective strategy for drastically increasing average order value on Shopify. The idea is pretty simple. Instead of buying one or two products, you want them to buy more so that average order value gets as high as possible. But there are some pain points that you're going to run into when you want to set this up. First of all, there's no built-in way to offer bundles with Shopify. You're going to have to use an app. I'm going to show you the one that I use. I'm going to show you over the shoulder. We'll do a little step-by-step. And the app needs to be very easy to use, but more important than that, it needs to work with all different product types. You might be selling print on demand or drop shipping or custom products or personalized products or digital products. We want to be able to bundle no matter what. And this is also really important to integrate inside of our cross sells and our upsells. Those are good strategies to make more money, increase average order value. We're going to combine that with the power of product bundling, and we're really going to see that AOV skyrocket. So how are you going to do this the right way? You're going to use Fast Bundle. You see the link directly below this video. This is what I use. This is what I highly recommend to all of my students. It's the #1 bundling app in Shopify, and we're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you exactly how powerful it is, but this is the app right here. Again, you see the link directly below this video. First of all, take a look at this. Almost a perfect 5 out of 5-star review. We can go look at these 5-star review after 5-star review after 5-star review. We can literally scroll through here all day long, taking a look at all of these different 5-star reviews here, because Fast Bundle, like I said, is the #1 bundling app inside of Shopify. There's a lot of different bundling types. Doesn't matter in terms of what type of product you have. You can offer volume discounts, standard bundles. You could have a bundle page. You could have upsell funnels. And again, integrating directly with cross-selling and upselling, really going to be the #1 way to maximize your average order value across the board. And this will work with really any store, any type of product. You see how it's going to look over here. But we're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you this inside of one of my demo stores. So all that you need to do is come up here and click the green Add App button. And there are a bunch of different bundles that are together. They're always adding more, like the frequently bought together. This was recently added. But what we want to do is set up our first bundle, and we're going to basically give a discount when people buy a fixed group of products. And there are a couple different types over here. We could do a volume discount, right? Buying several items, the same product, multiple quantity, right? So you buy one, it's this price, buy two, it's this price, buy three, it's even cheaper, etc. of the same product. Here is a bundle of different products. Here's a mix and match, right? You're going to be able to offer a discount when people buy a specific number of products. So buy 3 products, get a discount, right? It doesn't have to be pre-made bundle. It could be any bundle. Product mix and match, same thing here, except this has to be inside one collection. This could just be globally from all of your products. And of course, the frequently bought together. I really like this because this is kind of like a smart upsell. We're saying, okay, if you bought this, you're probably going to also enjoy that frequently bought together. But we'll go ahead and set up the bundle over here. Incredibly easy to get this set up, and we have full control over everything. First of all, we of course need to select our products. We're going to come over here into Browse, and we're going to see all of our different products over here, and we can start to select different products that are available. You see the variants get shown in there as well. We could uncheck products if we didn't want to include some of those until we literally go through and looking at all of our different products and deciding what's going to go inside of our store. And I'll go ahead and just add another cat product here and we'll be done. So we basically can rearrange inside of the bundle here. You might want to put the most important product at the top, or maybe your most popular product on top. You have full control over that. In some cases, you could actually even have multiple products in your bundle. And this could be specific to different product needs or different kind of product bundles. Maybe you're selling things that make sense for people to buy multiples, right? You can go ahead and create multiple quantities inside of this bundle. Because you see the little summary here is going to tell you in plain English exactly what this bundle is creating. And it's saying when customers purchase these products together, 3 of the mouse pad, 1 of this shirt and 1 of this shirt, they're going to get 10% off. And the bundle is going to be displayed on all of the product pages and the bundles page. Why is it going to? Because we've set that right over here. In fact, we could also set the pop-up to show as well. You'll see that this will update and it will show the bundle pop-up. So we have full control over where it's going to show. For some reason, we didn't want this to populate on the bundles page. We could turn that off. If we only wanted to show it on the mouse pad page, we have full control over that. It's as easy as just clicking the little check boxes here. Now, in terms of the discount, we're giving a 10% off. You see the options for different discount. We give a fixed discount. We could change the price to a specific number. We can give universal free shipping, or we could just give a bundle for the sake of combining all the products without a discount. But we're going to stick with that 10% discount over here, and you have full control over that discount amount. This is internal use, right? You're just going to see, we'll call this our cat bundle 1. This is going to be the title on top of the bundle, so the customers will see this. So we'll call this the Cat Lover Bundle. We could bundle this as a product or not. This is basically going to group everything together as one single product as opposed to having the ability to separate these products and add them individually. We're focusing on paid ads a lot, so we're going to keep this unchecked because we want people to kind of come in and see these products whether individually or grouped together. We could also schedule. If we don't play with anything, it's just going to launch right now, or we can set a start date and we could even have an end date. This is great for having a limited time campaign, right? Maybe we're doing a flash sale where we say, okay, buy any 3 products from this collection over the next 24 hours, you'll get a 10% off discount. We can combine the collection bundle with the active date here with an end date and create some really powerful campaigns. But I'm going to save this bundle right now. Very, very easy to do. Once you really kind of jump into this, you'll be able to create bundles in 30 seconds. Very, very easy to do. And now we can go and take a look at all of our bundles over here. And again, this is now the home page here. Before it was empty. Now we have our first bundle. We could even preview what it's going to look like on the product page. And this is really all about, again, incentivizing people to purchase this product. So we see our bundle options right here. And most importantly, the call to action. Add bundle to cart, save 10%. It's incredibly powerful. And you see how it works with apparel, right? I know a lot of you are doing t-shirt print on demand. You're still going to be able to come right in there and you'll be able to open and choose your variant, even your colors. And you see that the product updates based on the variant as well. So we have this powered by Fast Bundle widget, incredibly powerful, literally right here on the product page automatically. Here's another cool bundle. We come over here, create bundle. We're going to go to collection, mix and match. And all we need to do is select the collection over here. We could also create one if we don't already have one. We're going to come over here and we'll select our cats collection over here. And it's really, really simple over here. We could set a number of required items, so they'd have to put 3 or 2 items. We'll set it over here to 3. When they complete this bundle, we're going to give them a discount. We'll go ahead and give them a 15% off discount when they get all of the products together. Come over here and call this a collection cat 1. This will be one that customers can see. So we'll put something like build a cat lover bundle yourself. And we'll have a little call to action. We could have a start and end date if we wanted to run this as a little promotion. We could run this just for a few days. Very, very simple. We see that the bundle is going to be active instead of draft. We have the products in the collections. We're going to show it on those product pages and on the bundle page as well. Come over here and now we select save and it's going to be good to go. And you can see it in action over here. Here's the bundle page. Going to go ahead and actually add another product into this bundle right over here. Let's select the large. And now you see that this third product has been added and our discount has been applied as well. So it all happens automatically right there. Inside of displays over here, we want to make sure that we're customizing the look and feel. I'm going to show you over here. We can customize everything in terms of the colors. And of course, we have our button over here. We could change our color. Let's go ahead and add in our red color scheme over here for our colors. And literally everything. We could even change this and put something like make a bundle, right? We can change the text. And you'll see that it updates in real time. We'll be able to have everything customized with our color scheme, and we'll go ahead and save that. Inside of settings, I want to show you translation. As you see here, we're able to translate every single word inside of Fast Bundle. So if we want to change to a different language, we could literally just put it in here. Or if we want to have different text, doesn't have to be a different language. We could just put something like your total is, right? And we'll be able to customize that right inside of here. You'll want to make sure that you save right inside of this section as well. Back into settings, we'll click on inventory, and we're going to want to make sure that we track inventory over here if you have products that are physical and can go out of stock. So we could either uncheck or check this. This is going to show the sold out badge for those unavailable bundles here. kind of just make everything run a little bit easier with your inventory settings. Once you have the app installed, you're going to be brought over here into your Fast Bundle dashboard. And this is going to allow you to go ahead and create your first bundle. You'll see your bundles once you have them in there. There are some settings over here that we'll be able to walk through as well. For example, translating any of the text that we want. We can change languages, we can change text. We can show how inventory is tracked, if we're tracking that or not. For print on demand, you can most of the time leave this unchecked. You could talk about display settings of your discounts. If you're using the cart page, nothing that you need to do. If you're using your drawer cart, the one that slides out, you'll just simply click the activate cart drawer. We're using cart page. Most themes use the cart page as well. And we could always apply the discount here, or you could apply the discount only if the bundle is clicked. We'll always apply the discount. Going to make it easy for us to do that. You could also include bundle codes, and you could edit the code over here. Now, when it comes to display, this is going to be the actual kind of look and feel of how Fast Bundle is going to display things, whether it's on the product page, the cart pop-up, or on a bundles page. We'll have the ability to come over here and actually customize the things that we're seeing here, and we could change from a classic to a modern design over here. You see the kind of changes over here as you see it. We can change the box. We could even change the size here. Of course, we could change background colors. You see everything update in real time as we go through this. We could even add borders in here, and I have a black, red, and white color scheme, so I'll add a little bit of my branding over here, maybe make this border a little bit bigger. And we have this here. You could even get advanced with adding some different jQuery selectors. If you're a coder, this little section is important, but not needed at all. You're never going to need to look at code or anything like that as we go through and customize everything. And we can customize the title. You see it's right over there. We could edit the font size so it's nice and big. Again, we could add in some of our branding with our color scheme in there. We could center everything. And as we go through that, we're simply saving as we go along. Again, all these different options in terms of the product details, the collection badges, right? Really everything, the total section down here, changing the colors, right? We have it in green right now because that's a nice conversion color. We could even add custom CSS and JavaScript in there. And we could do the same thing for really any of these. We have the cart pop-up as well, right? We have this little bundle option, and we're able to change really everything that we see here in terms of colors and badges and all that great stuff. We're going to keep it red. See, we could turn it on, turn it off. You see the little badge on the corner. So really all the different display settings, all the different display options we can control over here, even controlling the actual styling of the pop-ups and the widgets here for the bundles. Show you the bundle list over here. We can go ahead and assign bundles to different bundles to our bundles page. Really powerful here, especially if we're doing paid marketing or email marketing. We could send people directly to a bundles page, or they could of course click on it in the navigation or something like that. But so now we'll press add bundle to cart. This bundle is now going to get added into our cart, and we'll come over here into the cart. This was something that was previously in there. So we'll see our bundle now. And not only that, we see our discount. The discount automatically applied with our 10% off discount because we have this successful bundle in there. We also have the ability to change quantities in here. We can click back into any of these original products and take a look to see the actual detail of the bundled product. But really, it all works very easily. You see, we've only kind of been setting this up for a couple minutes. Just like that, we have our cat lover bundle customized, look and feel like we set up. We have everything here, the products that we set up, the variants, and of course that strong call to action with the discount. This is the power of Fast Bundle right here. So that was Fast Bundle. Again, highly recommended. Just take a look at all those 5-star reviews. This app is going to give you that bundling functionality that's going to significantly increase your average order value. Highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. Get this in your store. Again, all you need to do is just press that green Add App button. There's a free plan available. Highly recommended. Fast Bundle. Get it in your store. Hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.